Do you know you can create full YouTube videos without showing your face, without recording your voice, and without editing stress, all using ChatGPT plus CapCut? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I do it step by step in 2025, the same method I use in growing my channel. Let's go. First, I open ChatGPT. This is where I create my entire video script. I start by typing my title idea, for example, how to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2025. Then I ask ChatGPT to help me structure the video, intro, main points, and conclusion. You can even ask, write in a YouTube storytelling style for a 5-minute video. ChatGPT gives me a professional and ready to narrate script. Tip: always review and personalize the script, add your own tone or examples, so it feels more natural. Once done, copy the final script to your notes. Next, we need a voice to bring the script to life. Here's where AI voice generators come in. Use Play.ht free, paste your text, choose a realistic English voice, and download the MP3. Speechify free as well, offers expressive voices perfect for YouTube storytelling. Clipchamp AI voice free with Microsoft account, clean and clear voice styles. Pro tip: try using different voices across videos to keep your channel fresh. For consistency, you can also stick to one signature voice tone. Now, we move to CapCut, my favorite editing tool for faceless YouTube videos. Open a new project and import the AI voice file you created. Then, add background clips I often use. Pexels Video Speechify, Mixguidle are free and safe for YouTube monetization. If you prefer animated visuals, try looping short animation clips or stock footage that match the tone, but don't have to literally describe what's said. This keeps the content fun and dynamic while saving time. Perfect for fast uploads. CapCut automatically generates subtitles, just click text and auto captions. Then, add background music from YouTube Audio Library or Pixabay Music, both are free and monetization safe. Choose calm, motivational, or text-style instrumentals depending on your video's tone. Music tip: pick one consistent style so your audience recognizes your vibe, but don't use the exact same track every time. Rotate a few within the same genre. Once editing is done, export your video in 1080p. Now you can upload directly to YouTube. Add your title, thumbnail, tags, and description. Make sure to optimize with ChatGPT too, it can help you write perfect SEO titles and pin comments. And that's it. You've just made a complete faceless YouTube video using ChatGPT and CapCut. No camera, no voice recording, no stress. If you want more tutorials like this, hit that subscribe button, because I share simple ways to grow your channel and earn online. See you in the next video.